Hello? 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 Okay. Okay, so what I'm doing tonight is I am finishing up this Try Hack Me path, which is, let me just go back here to dashboard, the SOC level 2 path. Uh, as you can see, I'm 98% complete. So Okay. Right. So what I've done is this is I've actually SSH'd into the actual machine. So let me just pull that up. I'm actually rem remotely logged into another machine at the moment. So we can get rid of this here. And if I get that up there, so I'm actually logged into that machine already. So I've already done a few of the tasks, just the ones that you could do without actually going in. So this was here connecting to the lab. This was spearfishing. Basically, it's just looking up stuff on the internet. Then this one here is explaining the different type of documents. The most common documents are PDF, docx, Excel, Word, um, Excel, PowerPoint, and then you've also got XML, and then your OneNote. So the first thing we need to do, we're going to go through the PDF ones. So I actually have this open on another window, just to make it easier for me to actually look at. So I'm going to put that up on the other window. So just drag that over. Uh, just so I can actually read it better. So the first thing I'm going to do is look at the PDF. So let me just move that over here. All right, we'll minimize that. We'll get that back for a minute. So PDF, what do we have here? So the main part of the PDF file is the header. It tells you the version. Then you've got the body, which contains a series of objects that are organized into a specific structure. So you have your different objects here. Like this one here is 3 objects. That says that it's a catalog. That's pages, and then has said that has uh, the file signature is a sequence of characters that identify the file as a PDF. Okay, so that's the body. Each object is identified by an object number and generation numbers, which are used to uniquely identify the object. So, and then we have a cross-reference table. That is a table that provides a map of locations of all the objects in the PDF file. It is used to quickly locate objects within the file. So then we have the trailer. This is the last section. Provides information about documents such as the location of the cross-reference, the size of the file, and any encryption or security settings. And okay, keywords: JavaScript, JS, names, file names that will most likely be referred. Open action: this element function is to carry out an action such as running a script. Add action: embedded file shows files that are embedded. URI: URLs. Submit form, launch. Okay, to run embedded scripts. So what we need to do is run Notepad on this simple PDF. So let's see, desktop. Okay. It's there. So run that. Oh, this is not going to work because it's a GUI. I'm using a. Yeah, that's not going to work. So I wonder if I can run I wonder if this will work. Oh yeah, that'll do. So we can see that's a PDF 1.7. There's the first object. The author is Ben. I think that's the answer to one of the questions actually. So yeah, author is Ben. So I'm just gonna see if I can copy that. Let's see. Okay, you can just type in Ben. Okay, right, so back we go. We can exit that now. Well, we can have a quick look at it. So we've got our header there, and then we've got our body here. So we've got one object, two objects, three objects, four objects, uh, okay. So just exit out of that. Now, analyzing the PDF. Hopefully, no, that's good. It's all text-based from here on. I'm just having a quick look here to. I don't think there's anyone even looking at this. Anyway. What is going on here? So I'm just checking something in here. Okay, the YouTube one looks like it's going better. So I'm just checking something in here. Oh, there's one person watching my stream on Twitch. So just go back there to Twitch for 1 second. Okay, that's fine. Just checking some stuff there. If you're wondering what I'm using to stream this, I'm using this thing called Restream. It allows me to stream for free to 2 channels. If I upgrade, I can stream to 3 channels. But anyway, so where was I? We're doing the PDF. So let's go do this again. Okay, let's examine this. Okay, so we've already done that, and that's given us the object. Okay. Yeah, we can find the name objects, keywords like JavaScript. Okay, so it says there's a tool called pdfid.py. So let's use that. So yeah, I'm using Parrot OS. I'm not using Kali. Uh, so probably give us the same information. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Okay, we have 18 objects, 3 stream, end stream. Okay, trailer 1, trailer 1 page, no encrypts, 1 JavaScript. Okay, that gives us more information. So let's move this over here, minimize that for a minute. Okay, now we're using PDS parser. Okay, so what do they want us to use this for? Okay, just use simple. Okay. Okay, so they're using more to kind of go through it. So put in the PDF parser. Then we have to pipe it into more, which basically allows you to kind of step through different things. So it's giving us information here. Alright, so we can go through this here. Just JavaScript. So we just keep going through. Alright. Okay, this tool returns objects and it finds within the so this here is looking for PDF parser. Okay, so making it more granular. Right? Okay. And then we can actually zoom into the actual object. So we go here. So we find object 6. So I'm going to pipe it into more again. What? Okay. Let me just do this again. So there's object 1, 2. Okay, so just try this again. Dash object. Six, and that should give us where the JavaScript is. So there we got our object 6, which has a JavaScript. Okay, so there's also this PDF. So it's just basically another way of analyzing it, but it gives you the hash and everything. So let's see what this does. See what the output is like. PDF. Alright, so gives us the hash, the size of the file. Okay. That must be the name of the objects. So what else do we have? We have the okay. Now let's use an interactive interface. Okay, this is gives interactive. Okay. Okay. So alright. So we use this here. This is okay. I see what we're doing now. Oh, okay. So we just say object 6, and then we look. There's our flag. I think that is one of the questions. Okay. Well, we'll just okay. We'll just extract the. Okay. Let's use extract.js options view. We don't really need to do that because, like, look, we've already got it there, so it just probably have the alert. Alright, so let's see how many open action objects were found. Okay, what we'll do is we'll just go back here. At 1. Yeah. How many encoded objects were found in the document? So I'm just using the information from here. Do we have any encoded? I'm assuming that's encrypted. Well, 0. Uh-oh. No. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Which one will we? How many encoded objects were found? I don't see anything about encoded. Well, the only encoded thing I can think of is JavaScript, and that'd be 1. And that's wrong. Right. Uh, okay, let's go through this again. Let's go back through this again. I'm looking here. Hmm. Oh, there we go. So, which one's that again? There we go, encoded. 2. Right. So, we've got 2. And the numbers were 15 and 18. So those must be the actual objects. Separate with a comma. And I did. Okay. Right. Let's see what we have to do here. Okay, we're going to do clear. Well, I suppose it's exit. Yeah. And I just do. Could do a clear, but I think I will. Just to keep everything nice and tidy. Right. So what we're going to do is look at the JavaScript. So, right. Uh, Maybe I don't know. I'm getting distracted by the streaming, so I think what I'll do after tonight is I'll just record them and then put them up later on. But anyway, let's go. Let's see. Analyzing JavaScript. After analyzing, okay, a junior SOC has extracted the embedded JavaScript and handed it over to you to have a detailed look at it. Junior SOC. Okay. So go in here to JavaScript code, Notepad embedded. That gives you the code. So it looks very complex, but it's not. It's just I can't even say the word. Obfuscation. I can't even say the word, but you know what I mean. So, okay, what's box.js? Oh, that's interesting. Okay, so I'm just going to skip using Notepad in a minute. So we need to go into where are we going? JavaScript code. So cd dot cd java script code, and we just run box.js. Actually, we'll just do an ls, get the name of the file. Embedded code, okay. I might install this on my own computer. Okay. Oh, sorry. It's not box dot, it's box dash JS. Okay, so we got, there's our IOCs. So what is the question? Uh, what is the name of the file? Okay, about the URLs. How many URLs were extracted from? Uh, okay, just give me a moment while I get the. What is the name of the dump file that contains it? Oh, okay. Yeah, we'll get that in a second. First of all, we'll answer this here. What is the name of how many URLs were extracted? Well, we got one, two, three, four. Okay, I'm sure there's a way I can just pipe that out into grep and count them or something. Uh, but no, that's not what I want. It's 9, isn't it? Okay. Right. So what is the full URL of the one that contains slideshow? The keyword slideshow. Okay. Oh, here we are. We need to define these. So, yeah. This is probably going to be wrong, but let's see if that works. That's probably wrong because I probably defined it the wrong way. Because I used. Yay! Okay, so we got that one right. Now the file name, I'm assuming that if I do an ls, there'll be 2 files in there. Yeah, so it's embedded code results. Okay, now let's. Ooh, we've only got 2 more, and we've completed the whole path. Yay! Anyway, what I'm thinking of doing, well, I probably am. No, what I am going to do is from the 31st, I'm going to start going back over some of the rooms, especially the threat hunting and basically threat hunting, threat emulation rooms. I'm going to go back over those, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and replicate some of them on my own lab, using Wazoo and Lima Charlie to see if I can detect, especially with the threat emulation, to see if I can detect the atomic red team tests. So that's my plan, because I think they are probably some of the most important rooms, the log analysis and learn using Elk, and also maybe go back over the Splunk ones again because they are very important. Because if you want to hit the ground running, you need to know how to analyze logs, because that's what you're going to do. Especially if you get a junior position, that's all you're going to be doing is looking at triaging alerts, looking at the logs, know how to understand them, deal with them, that kind of stuff. So anyway, at least I can put that on my CV now that I can analyze uh, PDFs. Anyway, analyzing. Sorry. Uh, uh, can we just? Oh, that seems the wrong one. Okay. Oh, I bet you what I know. I bet it's a new folder, not a file, dummy. Yeah, that's a new folder. Sorry. Uh, and then this video, sorry. Uh, I'm assuming it's going to be urls.json. Probably. Can't even. Yep. Okay. So now we're going to go on to docs. Right. So what we got here. Word documents are files created by Microsoft Word. Their files typically have a .doc. Okay. So this type of Word document is binary using the Microsoft version. Okay. Yeah. Open. Office Open XML format. Okay. That's used by 2007. The file is actually a zip file containing all the related documents. That's something I never knew. I never knew that. I never knew I could get well, that doc uh, X file and just replace zip with it and then unzip it. That's interesting. Okay, macros, yeah. Though a lot of times nowadays, I think with Microsoft Office 365, or it's a while since I've looked at it, but I think it's VBA script. VBA is basically disabled by default. Macros are, you have to enable them. Um, Embedded objects, yeah, that works. Links, yeah. Exploits, yeah, you can use MS7 to create a Microsoft Word document that is actually a that is when you click on it, will open up a Metaterp shell. Okay, so we need to go in here to Word doc, and we're going to use suspicious doc. Okay, so cd, let me see if I can do this right. Cd dot dot slash dot dot pwd. Yeah, I'm home. Haha. Okay, so we're going to use this triad. Okay, that just confirms that it is TRID, suspicious. Okay, that's telling us. It's a .x probably. Oh, no, sorry. Accept Word document. Okay, what's telling us? I'm going to just move this up here. Okay, OLEID. Let's run that on it. Let's see what that gives us. OLEID. That tells us, what do we have? Used for basic information about the document to get a better understanding. So there's the name of the application. Is it encrypted? No. It's a Word document. Yes. There are macros in it. It's an Excel workbook, PowerPoint presentation, video drawing. Oh, nobody uses that anymore, do they? I don't know. Flash objects. Nobody uses Flash anymore. So anyway, so OLED meta is also used to extract property information. Okay, let's see what that does. Ooh. Sorry, OLE meta. I'm assuming it gets all the metadata. So this would be a good way for maybe investigating documents, like say you're asked to prove that this document was created at this time. Like, or is it, oh, what was the name of that serial killer? The BTK serial killer? The way he got caught was because he sent in a floppy disk bragging that they're not going to catch him. This was years after, uh, like, they've been looking for it for years and years. And he sent in a floppy disk. I think he even asked them whether or not the information would be kept on the floppy or whatever. But they sent him in a floppy disk with a Word document, and they were able to extract the Word document and actually find the last time it was used and where it was created, what the computer was created, and everything like that. And they realized who it was. They, it was he was the admin of some church or something. But anyway, that's getting me sidetracked. Uh, so what do we have here? Okay, with the title, properties, value. Okay. So we should have the name of the author too. Like I was saying, this kind of tool would have given you the name of the author. There's the name of the author. So I'm assuming that's one of the questions. So yeah. Okay, so let's just shove that in there. How many embedded macros do we have? I tell you what, we'll finish that off. We'll go back over. We'll do that again in a minute. Let's see, where were we? So what I'll do is I'll just leave this all, and we can just go back up. Just put this in time. Oops. OLE. Okay, saying that's not found. Oh, it's times. Alright. Okay, so let's see. Oh, creation and modification. That would be very interesting. Forensics case. You can see when it was created. We got macros. That's when it was created. That was when it was modified. Okay. Right. Sorry. So we've done that one. Then we're gonna do map. Okay. Okay. Minimize that. Oh, there. Let's say. Okay. Displays the details about different sectors of the file. Okay. And then the next one is, this is probably going to give us the VBA script, I would say. I remember when I did have a work in a SOC for a little while, I remember, especially in the training, I think we did use some of these tools. But anyway, there's the VBA. Let's see if I can understand what's going on here. Okay, so we got basically a function in VBA subroutine. So we have a subroutine there. Then we have the dim string. So we have a string that dim is basically like a indicator of a variable. So yeah, there we go. There's a string. It's PowerShell, and it's hidden. And I would say more than likely, if I was to do a little bit of manipulation, if I grab that there, go to cyber chef. Okay, paste that in. Oops, nope. I don't want to copy that. See if it copies over. Okay, so what we want to do is, first we're going to remove. Can we remove string? Yeah, that's what we want to do. We want to remove. No, that's duplicates. That's not what we want. I suppose, I guess the easiest way to do it is replace. Find replace. Okay, so we're going to find the word. We're going to find. Can we put it in string instead? Let's find everything as str. Find str. Replace it with nothing. Allow me to it. Now I'm gonna have to say C simple string maybe. Okay, just forget it. We'll do it the more complicated way. So we'll just grab that. Delete that. Delete that. I'm sure there's an easier way and quicker way of doing this. I probably could do this quicker in Sublime Text or something like that. Just get rid of that for a minute. Yeah, I probably could get rid of it easier in Sublime Text. But I started doing it this way, so I'm just going to finish it off this way. Oh, that reminds me, I better add on an extra hour. There we go. Actually, Sublime. Do I have Sublime in here? I don't think I have Sublime in this one. I know I have it on my own computer. So just give me a sec. I'll grab that up. Just give me a sec while I bring my own one. Okay, just yeah, just look at other stuff. So let's do file, new file. Okay, so let's see. Right, right. Let's replace with just nothing. Okay, just give me a second while I minimize this. So we're going to replace Okay, this is better. I think, what is, how do I do that? Did I do it all, or was it control? I can't remember. Uh, Replace that with nothing to replace. And then we just replace that. Replace all. Then we get our replace all. And do the same here. Replace all. And there we have our, we can just get this here. Copy that. Bring it back up. And dump it in here. Yeah, so we're probably going to have to, let me just see. Okay, so we'll just get rid of PowerShell. Bring everything over. Okay, so that should hopefully line everything up nearly. Maybe one or two things I need lining up. Okay, let's copy that now. Back we go to PowerShell. Oh, PowerShell. This one here. So we just need the from base 64. Okay, so we're missing something there. It says client, but we basically have our, there we go. So that's our payload. So yeah. Okay, so I kind of went off a bit there. So this OLED, okay. We'll try dump and see what happens. Oh, you have to use pi, so. So let's just see if it does that. I mean, I don't know. No, we have to use py. I'm assuming I'm gonna have to use Python, am I? Oh, dash m. Oops. Dash m. Suspicious doc. Okay, so it tells us the credit time, their author name, all that stuff. All the good, a lot of stuff there. Okay. And what else do we have? A viper monkey. This what that is. Two for analyzing. Oh, emulating the behavior. That's interesting. Uh, see what happens. There we go. So trying to extract the IOCs and any useful information. So let's see. The only IOC really would be the actual thing. There's PowerShell, yeah. Uh-huh. And yeah, they went and did it over there. So we were able to... So yeah. Okay, so we need to get the URL. Which, I've already done. So let's see how many macros do we have. Which one will we look at first? Let's see. Uh, okay, that's interesting. Word doc. Okay, you can get them probably from there somewhere. Uh, okay. Let's go back to the macros. Well, just count them here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going for 8. Uh-oh. Uh, mm, okay, let's go through this again. Uh, sorry, we only have one macro, what am I saying? Uh, will be 1, 2, will be 2? Yeah, 2 macros. Okay, we've got that from here. So here's the URL they want. That's what they want. Let's go back here and put that in there. Oh yeah, probably have to do .exe, sorry. My final one is the one out. Let's have a look at this. Yeah. Ooh, I'm close. I just the last task and then I get the. Then I'm done. So OneNote is popular with note taking and cover. Okay. To understand how different APIs started using. Okay, the malware bizarre. So okay, OneNote. Okay. 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 So I'm assuming I've already downloaded it. So maybe I can use more information. So let's see. So extracting strings. So you just put in strings. Right. There's some. That's okay. Okay. One dump. Python 3. One dump.py. Uh. Okay. Right. Div. Right. This is the S flag. Object. Or will I leave this till tomorrow night? Okay, sorry, just reading it here. Okay. We will still save it by using the command placement. Okay. Open that in Notepad. So you get the object. And then you probably just. This code has some interesting. So. Okay, replace. Oh, okay, so. Hmm, okay. As named after how many objects are found in invoice. Okay, so. Dun, dun, dun. How many. I'll tell you what. It's part of me wants to part of me wants to not actually finish this off because I've got 93 and I like kind of like even numbers. So okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come back at midnight and finish it off. So yeah, I could finish it off now, but I think I'll come back at midnight and finish it off. Okay, I'm gonna stop the stream now, and like I said, I'll be back